Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can install better on Bedrock mod 1.12. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to Marketplace, and then you need to write here, better on Bedrock, right? And then here it will be probably the first link or the second link here, or the third one, better on Bedrock 1.12. Then what you need to do here is to download it or buy for €6 or just grab a marketplace pass for 30 days for free. Then download it here. Download it, and then we just need to wait for a couple of seconds until download process is done. Then what you need to do here is to press play, then create new world, then select a better on Bedrock, and then press create. And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like.